Okay.
Brad, nahilawan ako, Brad.
Ay, hindi daw.
Expensive ako sa mga ilaw.
Don't talk in Tagalog, Yaki.
I expensive to the lights.
What do you mean? You can't afford.
I cannot explain properly.
Okay. I will turn off the light.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Tama ka na.
It's okay now?
Yes. So, can you please explain to me in detail, Jack?
You know the Filipino...
Worth dying po.
Demandaan niya, Brad.
You know the Filipino say.
Pag siya daw wala nang sinabi mo, yari na.
Stop, Yaki. You know,
Stop the light, Jackie.
our handsome guy is very sensitive.
Mapi light?
Ito, kasama si Makoy.
Mapi light?
Meron daw.
Mapi night mode edition? It's okay for me.
Piyaki.
See?
You want to turn on or turn off?
You know, the Filipino IQ, Yaki.
Yes. So,
Very high, Yaki. To the other nationality.
Okay. So, can you explain what the difference?
Nag-English na.
Very big, Yaki.
Hindi.
How big?
Sabi na kasi, dadaling ko na lang
5 times 1.
Dadaling ko na lang dyan.
5 times.
So, equals 5.
No, 5 times 1, Yaki. You know? One other nationality, 5 times for the Filipino.
Hindi ba pala tapos? Hindi ba pala tapos?
Type?
Eh, what type pa da?
Very per type.
Outside dyan, ayan.
Kimas?
Outside dyan.
Diba? Basta ano, ngayon ko na narinig yung kimas. Ay, pala, kamis.
Kamis yun eh.
Kamis yun.
Okay na yun nandun eh.
Kalas?
Kalas.
Turn off the light, please.
Okay.
It's okay now? You understand?
Yes, I understand.
You know the Filipino like this?
Puro Pinoy na lang na narinig ko.
No.
Tangin na mo! Parigyan mo naman ako na iba salita!
Hey, sir!
Sir! Hello!
Let's explain niya.
Sir, iuwi ko na to ah. Nakainom na eh. Ay. Time na to eh. Time na eh.
Ito.
Oh, si.
Puro Pilipino na lang narinig ko sa iyo. Wala na.
Philippine Brad, not Filipino.
Pilipino.
Philippine is very far from
Philippine!
Paulit-ulit lang. Lasing ka na. Lika na, Brad.
Philippine is country. Filipino is people.
Puti niya.
So, please continue, my friend. Your interview. Can you please?
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kompleto ba yung Brad?
Di pa?
Ano sinasabi nito?
Saran taban, karban yan eh.
Kulo, Yaki. Kulo. Ano sinasabi nito? Kauli-wali.
Wali.
Kauli.
Kalpinta yan eh. Karak yan eh. Ito daba na yan. Malo? Ang sama ko ano, makimok yan eh.
Ronnie ba yun sa Yossi?
Medyo tapusin naman natin tong konting kaligayahan.
Brad, I am open with tomorrow.
No problem. Muli 12 o'clock oh.